Okay, the second part of our discussion for lesson 9, we are going to talk about four nouns. Four na-adjectives. These are ski, which means like, kirai, which is the opposite of like, dislike, jozu is good at, and heta, poor at. So ski, kirai, jozu, heta. These are the four na-adjectives that we're going to focus on in our discussion now. Okay, so the same with arimas and wakarimas in our previous discussions, these four also take particle ga to mark their subject. Okay, so there. So example, watashi wa spotsu ga suki desu. Okay, by the way, this is not pronounced as suki, but rather you pronounce it as ski, ski, right? Silent u, ski. Okay, and this one is not supotsu, but it should be pronounced as spotsu, spotsu, devocalizing the u sound. Okay, so in this example, watashi wa spotsu ga suki desu. I like sports. And sports here is the subject. So that's why it is marked with particle gap. Okay, let's try to use kirai, dislike. Watashi wa dansu ga kirai desu. I dislike dancing. Jozu, haha wa uta ga jozu desu. Uta is song, so my mother is good at singing. And heta means poor at. Chichi wa ryori ga heta desu. My father is poor at cooking. All right, so these are some of the examples. You can always ask someone what does they like by asking nani nani ga suki desu ka, or for example, what do you like? Nani ga suki desu ka? What do you hate? Nani ga kirai desu ka? What or which are you good at? Ano, tateba, ano, it can also be answerable by a yes or no, or it can also be an interrogative question. Okay? For example, tennisu. Tennisu ga jouzu desu ka? Are you good in tennis? Or you can also say ski. Ski ga jouzu desu ka? Are you good at skiing? Something like that. So you can always ask questions using ski. It can be answerable by yes or no or interrogative questions. Okay? So now, so let's try to have Reibun. One more. Watashi wa ji ga heta desu. So what is ji? Character. So siguro pangit ang handwriting niya. So watashi wa ji ga heta desu. Next, tanaka-san wa jikan ga arimasen. Okay, so we included here the previous lesson or the first discussion of lesson 9. Okay, Mr. Tanaka does not have any time. Haha wa kabuki ga suki desu. So by this time, you are already familiar with this kanji. This kanji means haha. So my mother likes kabuki. Next, ashita chichi wa yakusoku ga arimasu. And Otto wa katakana ga jouzu desu. Otto is my husband and he is good in katakana. So as you can see here, I have the breakdown of the important points so far of lesson 9. So we have the arimas and wakarimas for the first discussion. And for the second half, we have the ski, kirai, jozu, and heta. Now, if you want to practice more of those special grammar explanation, so you can have this as your take home take home activity. So you can translate the following in Japanese. Okay,